Hello, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People, and I trust that everyone is feeling and doing well. I'd like to say Happy New Year, and I hope and trust that everybody enjoyed their time together with family and friends. And today, I have something a little different. I made the homemade chicken noodle soup that's listed on my channel. I made that yesterday, and we ate all of it but a bowl, this little bowl here. So I'm gonna dump this chicken noodle soup in this pot, and so we're gonna have leftovers today. I know some people say they don't like leftovers, but leftovers are wonderful because your seasonings and everything is already just marinated into the rest of your dish. So it is a favorite of ours here at home. We always take advantage of leftovers. My husband used to take them for work, leftovers, and we always looked forward in having them, and I still look forward in having them. But since we have such a small amount here, what I'm going to do is, I seen this at the store, and it's called PITMASTER. And so it was a smokehouse style with grilled chicken and potatoes with roasted vegetables. So I decided, I had it in my cabinet, so I am going to add this to the soup that I've already made to jazz it up a little bit. And you can get these soups. I saw this at Walmart. So I'm hoping and trusting that this is good. But this is it. This is the can. And they had like all different kinds. So that's the new Progresso. So I want to add that to my soup. Just a can of that. And then I'm going to add just a half a can of water, because a lot of these canned soups have a lot of sodium in them. So I'm going to add a little water to that. So I'm going to add a half a can of that, of water, to this soup. And then I'm going to give it a stir. And it looks good. And then see, this will be enough. It's just a little trick. If you have a little bit of something left over, then you can add to make it stretch, as my mom said. She used to say, well, just keep that little dab and add something to it and make it stretch to feed the family. So that's what I did today, Mom, is added a can of soup to homemade soup that I already had as leftovers. So I'm going to turn my fire on medium, low, and just let this cook for probably on, I'm going to turn it on low because I'm going to let it cook for about 45 minutes on low. So that is it, and I'll come back and taste it. We'll taste it together. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. The soup looks marvelous, as you can see. And I'm just going to put it in the bowl. See how it tastes. It looks good. It's kind of got a little smoke taste to it. But that is the soup we're going to have today. And we're going to have turkey sandwiches with it. So that'll be our dinner today. Leftover soup. So if you like this, be sure to give me thumbs up if this is something that interests you. And again, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And you can top this off with a little parsley and cheese or whatever you want to top it off with. A little crumbled bacon. Sounds good. So whatever you want to top this with, feel free. And the recipe will be down in the description area. And I'll link also my chicken noodle soup as well down there. But again, I talk to you later, and love, love.